supplies you're going to need are a piece of paper, a marker or a crayon, and something to color with. We are going to be drawing this inspired by the cat and bird painting by Paul Klee. All right, step one is going to be to take our piece of paper and to actually fold it in half, hamburger style. So from wide paper, fold it in half. That just helps us with our drawing to make it symmetrical. And symmetrical means the same on both sides. It may not be exactly the same, but it's going to be similar. First line, starting at the bottom, you're going to make a very big J. And on the other side, we're going to mimic that going the other direction. So almost from the top corner down to this bottom point, we've made this big second J. Kind of looks like a W. Below that, we're going to create a U for the mouth. And if you remember, the nose is a heart shape. So again, I'm using that crease down the middle of the paper, and that's where the middle of my heart is. I'm going to make a triangle from a pretty tall point down to the edge of my heart. To make the eyes, I'm going to make a rainbow line on one side from the top of the triangle all the way to the edge of my J, and then a bottom curved line to kind of make that big football eye shape on both sides. Last thing for the eyes are our pupils, and I'm not going to draw circles in the middle. Notice I'm doing these tall curved lines to make them look like cat eyes. Now, the next step is the bird. I made first a kind of a football shape, then a triangle for the tail, a half circle for the head, a straight leg, and a straight leg, and a curve for the wing. This bird is supposed to be very simple. To make the ears, I go from the top of the J and make kind of a curved line to just the top of the eyes somewhere. And I'm going to squeeze in a little line here for the top of the head. And there's my drawing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and color this, and I'm going to kind of use the colors that are in the painting, but you do not have to. You can be creative and color this however you want. The color I'm using is coming from these paint sticks. They're basically paint in a tube, and they dry instantly. There you have it, the cat and the bird inspired by Paul Klee.